आज हम पेस्ट्री बना रहे हैं.
So let's get started. First we started off with 1 pound of chicken, and we put our chicken inside water that had salt and pepper in it.
We're gonna let it boil, and so that our chicken can be ready, and then we'll shred the chicken later. Okay?
These are all the ingredients we're gonna add, and we're gonna put them as we go. So just follow along and you find out.
To the ghee, we're going to add onion, chopped onion. Okay? So then in our large bowl, we're going to add milk. This is about 2.5 tablespoons of flour, and then we have salt to taste, pepper, 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon red chili powder, and then this is the masala that Amma has made. It has zira and all of that in it. Okay.
So you guys can check the link in the description to find out what the garam masala is.
We're just gonna mix it all together, and we're gonna set this aside. Okay.
So this is how the consistency should look. If it's a little too thick, you can add a little bit milk like us. We added a little bit of milk to make it a little bit more watery.
Now to our onion, we're adding ginger garlic paste.
We're going to be sweating the onions, and we're going to be scraping it from the side as well. So now we're going to add our orange bell peppers and our green chilies.
Okay, I removed the seeds of the chili so that it's not too spicy for the kids. Yeah. So in the meantime, our chicken was boiled. Okay, we just wanted to cook it in that salt and pepper water. And now I'm just going to shred it, okay guys? Now we're going to turn our heat to medium-low. Okay, we're going to add our milk mixture into the onion. You have to constantly keep stirring it, okay guys? Because what's gonna happen is your milk and the flour is going to thicken. You'll start noticing that it's thickening. Let's make it medium heat. Just don't want it to burn, okay? As soon as you start seeing that it's thickening, you're going to add your chicken. Okay? You're gonna frequently mix. You can start seeing the milk is thickening. Pause. I just changed my spoon because I wanted to scrape the bottom, and I think as soon as you mix it all in, your filling is actually ready.
Now that the filling is ready, we're going to set it aside to let it cool, and then we'll start making the pastries.
Alright guys, it's time to make the patties. We're using store-bought puff pastry, okay? Next time we'll teach you how to make them at home. This has already cooled down. I have oiled the kitchen slab, so it doesn't stick. And then my tray is foiled.
Okay, so now we are putting our filling inside of the pastry. We used 10 of these square pieces, and we cut all of them in half to make 20. You can freeze them until 6 weeks, but usually they don't last that long because they're so good and yummy to eat.
We're gonna do the egg wash halfway when it's cooked, and it has about 10 more minutes to go, okay?
Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.